Hey there, future aviators. Welcome to Reset, where we help you navigate your career path. Today, we're soaring into the exciting world of aviation and showing you how to become a pilot. Buckle up, because we're about to take off. Becoming a pilot is a dream for many, and it's not hard to see why. The thrill of flying, the opportunity to travel, and the challenge of mastering complex skills make piloting an incredibly rewarding career. But how do you turn that dream into reality? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Understand the requirements. Before you can take to the skies, you need to meet some basic requirements. 1. Age. You must be at least 17 years old to get a private pilot license, and 18 for a commercial license. 2. Language. Proficiency in English, the international language of aviation. 3. Education. While a college degree isn't always required, many airlines prefer candidates with a bachelor's degree. 4. Physical fitness. You'll need to pass regular medical exams to ensure you're fit to fly. 5. Clean record. A background check is typically required, especially for commercial pilots. Step 2. Choose your path. There are several types of pilot careers to consider. 1. Commercial airline pilot, flying passengers or cargo for major or regional airlines. 2. Corporate pilot, flying executives or small groups on private jets. 3. Military pilot, serving your country while gaining valuable flight experience. 4. Flight instructor, teaching others to fly while building your own hours. 5. Specialty pilot. This includes roles like crop dusting, aerial firefighting, or search and rescue. Each path has its own requirements and challenges, so research thoroughly to find the best fit for you. Step 3. Get your education. While you don't always need a college degree to become a pilot, many airlines prefer it. Consider these educational options. 1. Aviation degree programs. Many universities offer degrees in aviation, aerospace engineering, or aviation management. 2. Military training. Joining the Air Force, Navy, or Army can provide excellent flight training and experience. 3. Flight schools. Dedicated flight schools offer focused training programs. Remember, even if you don't pursue a full aviation degree, courses in physics, mathematics, and engineering can be incredibly helpful in your pilot training. Step 4. Obtain your medical certificate. Before you start flight training, you'll need to pass a medical exam and obtain an FAA medical certificate. There are 3 classes of medical certificates. First class, required for airline transport pilots. Second class, required for commercial pilots. Third class, required for private pilots. The exam includes vision, hearing, and physical tests to ensure you're fit to fly. Step 5. Start your flight training. Now comes the exciting part, actually learning to fly. Here's what the process typically looks like. 1. Ground school. Learn the theory of flight, navigation, weather patterns, and aviation regulations. 2. Flight training. Work with a certified flight instructor to learn the practical skills of flying. You'll start with basic maneuvers and progress to more advanced techniques. 3. Solo flight. After about 20 hours of training, you'll take your first solo flight, a major milestone. 4. Cross-country flying. Learn to plan and execute longer flights between different airports. 5. Instrument rating. Learn to fly solely by reference to instruments, essential for flying in poor visibility conditions. 6. Written exam. Pass a comprehensive written test on aviation knowledge. 7. Practical test. Demonstrate your flying skills and knowledge to an FAA examiner. After completing these steps, you'll earn your private pilot license. This allows you to fly single-engine planes under visual flight rules. Step 6. Build your flight hours. To become a commercial pilot, you'll need to log a significant number of flight hours. The FAA requires 250 hours for a commercial pilot license, 1,500 hours for an airline transport pilot license. You can build these hours by working as a flight instructor, flying for charter services, towing banners or gliders, participating in pipeline or power line patrol flights. Step 7. Advance your certifications. As you gain experience, you can pursue additional certifications. 1. Commercial pilot license allows you to fly for compensation or hire. 2. Multi-engine rating qualifies you to fly planes with more than one engine. 3. Airline transport pilot license, the highest level of aircraft pilot certificate. Each of these involves additional training and testing. Step 8. Apply for pilot jobs. With your licenses, ratings, and flight hours in hand, you're ready to apply for pilot positions. Here are some tips. 1. Network within the aviation community. 2. Keep your licenses and medical certificates current. 3. Be prepared to start with regional airlines or in entry-level positions. 4. Consider getting additional certifications or type ratings to stand out. 5. Be flexible about relocating, as aviation jobs might require moving. Becoming a pilot is a challenging but incredibly rewarding journey. It requires dedication, hard work, and a true passion for flying. But if you're willing to put in the effort, the sky's the limit. Remember, every pilot started exactly where you are now. So take that first step, and before you know it, you'll be soaring through the clouds, living your dream. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more career guidance content. And let us know in the comments, what's your dream aviation job? Until next time, keep reaching for the stars.